At first, let's see preview of video. India is the largest populous country with around 1.48 billion people. Of this total, about 761 million are male and 716 million are female, making up nearly 18% of the world population. Now let's go how to edit it. I am break down this tutorial in 3 stages because you understand it better. For make this type tutorial, at first choose a video which is you want use in news article. Then after choose a news article which is like this format. This news article make you own by use notebook. I use Notewise for make this news article. This rectangle free space is for put our image of video. First of all, import video from media and then import a black background. Now cut extra part of video. Now capture a image before last part of video. This image import in timeline as a duplicate form. Then after import news article as a perfect form with duplicate. Now correct this image like this and the video image bring forward. Now add a keyframe and in second keyframe this video image put on free space of news article. For increase of image duration, cut after second keyframe and drag it, and also increase news article layer. Now I am add voice record of documentary video. You can also record by record tool of KineMaster. India is the largest populous country with around 1.48 billion people. Of this total, about 700. I am mute this voice record because it may be disturbance in my voice. I am use EQ for increase quality of audio, and then use noise remover for remove noise from my voice. Now we are coming very important part of video, so don't miss it. Click on news layer and add keyframe, and next keyframe add before then second keyframe. In second keyframe drag upward image. Animate this news like this. And then same style and same position, add keyframe and animate this image in second keyframe. Now add a rectangle box by use of handwriting after last time keyframe. Now adjust this box where you want highlight or. Then choose wipe right in animation. You can also adjust speed of animation. For another word highlighted, you can repeat this process. Now I am going fastly because your same process repeat. Now for make transparent this box, go on blending and choose multiply. If you highlighted bottom order, then add keyframe in this position. Then add new keyframe after first keyframe. In second keyframe, drag the article in upward direction. Now exact same position at both keyframe in video image, and in second keyframe animate this image by drag upward. Again, this keyframe position and animate style repeat on all handwriting layer. I am add keyframe position and animate style on all handwriting layer. Again add handwriting box by use handwriting and animate and transparent it. Now cut in equal end part of all layer and then save the video. At first reopen KineMaster and import previous video in duplicate form with black background. Now double tap on video screen for full screen this video, and top corners of video incline like 3D rotate screen. At first go on corner pin and then select a corner and move your wanted position. You can easily move 4 corners of video and make 3D flat shape screen according to you like wanted. After make flat shape of video, then use a background music, sound effect and also use a vignette, and then save this video. I hope this video help in make a 3D flat video. So if you confuse any part of video, please comment below, and don't forget like and subscribe to channel. Thank you.